how to convert YouTube video to MP3 on iPhone. So if you want to convert YouTube video to MP3 on your iPhone, then what you need to do is, first thing you'll need is YouTube Studio. Make sure that you've installed your YouTube Studio. Once you have your YouTube Studio, you need to just open up your YouTube Studio application and log into your account or your channel. After you do so, just import the videos that you have uploaded in the content section. Tap on content and go with the three dots which will be on the right side, and then install it on your device. Once the files has been downloaded, or once the video has been downloaded, you can keep the video in your files. Now go back and then go with your files section, search for files. Once you're on the file section, simply select the video, or if you don't find it right here, then you can just simply go back and then open up your gallery. And as you can see that it has been saved in my gallery. So I'll just simply go and upload it to the files. Scroll down, go with save to files, go with save, and that's it. Now you can go back to your files, and as you can see that my video is right here. So what you need to do is just simply go and long press on the video, and you'll need to rename the video. You need to tap on rename, and under the name you will need to add something like MP3. Like I'll just simply go with demo.mp3, go with the tick which is on the bottom right, and it will automatically convert your video to MP3. And that's basically it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.